right after, like when we just finished. No, no. But my baby takes care of me.
He be lie.
How do you manage yourself when you get honey?
Please, I'm fasting.
Is your what?
As for transportation, you have to give me money for my transportation.
I pay for.
I haven't yet had sex, and I'm not even planning.
You're a virgin?
Yeah, I'm a virgin.
Since I was born to this earth, I haven't slept with any woman before.
And then I said, and then.
Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Prudent himself, and officially welcome you to another exciting edition of the Free Your Mind Show right here on MX24 TV. Today, I'm actually right in front of the Wisconsin International University College. I'm here to find out from students here whether money given to them after sex makes them cheap. This and many more, I'll be interacting with them here at Wisconsin International University College. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go get answers. I'm here with Bridget, right?
Hi, Prudence.
Bridget, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. So, Bridget, I've got this one question for you. Does money given to you after sex makes you cheap?
With this question, context matters. So it would mean that it depends on how it is being done and who it happened with. So if it's my boyfriend and it means we've been together for a while, and a defined relationship, so I would feel like I would believe that he cares for me, and so maybe he's giving the money for just for giving sake, for like, okay, babe, just to add to what you have for your upkeep or something, and just not immediately after, because then it looks like you are paying me for something.
This is fact. This thing is fact.
So as long as the conversation was not transactional before and it wasn't done right after, then that's fine. And some people will be like, okay, maybe let me get home first. Or he could even give it to you, like maybe, for your Uber or something. I don't think sex should quantify somebody's value, honestly. That's the school of thought that I subscribe to. I don't think that sex in any way quantifies my value as a human being.
Has someone giving you money right after sex?
Right after sex? No. But right after, like when we just finished, no. No. But my baby takes care of me.
He be lie.
Oh yeah, both ways. It makes them cheap.
Why?
Very cheap. Because sex is not a transaction of a business, but it's trying to share your emotions as well as satisfying the pleasure of yourselves as you are in a relationship. So if you are in a relationship and you are paying for sex, it's not different like paying a prostitute for sex. So to me, it makes both of you cheap. Oh, okay. So if there's, let's say, some kind of agreement, I'm coming to your place, just like coming to your place, and I'm like, I'm short on money, then I want to help you. That's fine. But if the agreement is, I'm coming to your place to have sex, so you have to pay for transportation, then to me, it's still, you are still being cheap.
I wish never go there. I guess never go there.
I haven't yet had sex, and I'm not even planning.
You're a virgin?
Yeah, I'm a virgin.
Wow.
I'm proud.
In this current world, like, to see a virgin is rare.
It's very hard. It's very hard. And sometimes, you see, I'm not trying to say it because people have their own kind of, kind of way of looking down when you say it. But it's something to be proud of.
Wow.
Yeah.
Charlie, congratulations.
I was born to this earth. I haven't slept with any
So
woman
you tend to
before.
break your virginity?
Hopefully marriage. But to be honest, man will be firewood. And one thing that has kept me going is that one person or one like mentor has told me that as a human being, don't trust yourself.
And now I just say when you answer chain will be.
Do you intend to have a woman who's also a virgin?
Oh no. I think that's judgmental. If I try to do that, I'm being judgmental. Yeah, I think everyone has his flaws and mistakes. Some people don't get sex educationally, and I think even sometimes some people, the mistakes they go through make them better people. So if I get someone who's not a virgin, fine, I can move with it.
Since you are a virgin, when you're horny, what do you do? Or you don't get horny?
When I'm horny, I really get horny. But the thing is that you have to try and get yourself busy. Yeah, you have to try and get yourself busy. And you also have to try reading. Yeah, that's one of my escape.
I think for other girls they'll feel cheap, but assuming I am to break my virginity and the guy gives me money after, I will not take it. I'll tell him. If he says it's for my transport, I'll just tell him that when I get to where I'm going, I'll call him, then he'll momo the guy, because I can't take it.
System 24/7.
How do you manage yourself when you get horny?
Please, I'm fasting.
Is your what?
Okay, but finally tell me, you don't think it makes you cheap when you take money from a guy? Even if you're in a relationship with the person?
Nah, I mean, he feels like giving it to you, so I don't think.
But have you ever received the money from a guy right after sex?
I am a virgin. I am a virgin.
You're a virgin? Okay. But have you heard from a friend who has received any money after sex or something?
Oh yeah, and she takes it. Like, she doesn't mind. I mean, hey.
I mean, it's anyone. It almost sounds or seems like prostitution if it's just anyone.
But have you ever been giving money right after sex?
I've not had sex before, so I cannot say that.
Wow. It looks like today I'm actually meeting virgins. You're purely virgin?
Yes, please. But I think giving the money immediately after sex makes you look cheap. Like you just had sex for the
Even
money.
when you genuinely need help, maybe you're about to settle a fees, exams is approaching.
But still, not like immediately after the sex.
Okay.
Maybe, yeah, you talked about it on a different occasion, but not immediately. Like
You come to see a guy and right after sex, you're like, you're going, my transportation. Does that make
I don't even have to say it. You should give it to me.
But then you come into somewhere, you should have your transport. At least you should have your transportation fee.
I do, but like for me putting efforts, dressing up to come and see you, you should like at least that should be that should be the least of the things to do. Like just you should know that you have to give me. Yeah.
If it's your boy, not in prostitution.
Yeah, it's not prostitution, maybe it's a boyfriend. But if it's a random guy.
Yeah, maybe it's prostitution.
But then as a guy, if you have sex with a lady and the lady gives you money, does that make you cheap?
The lady gives me money.
Yeah.
Well, may I ask why? If you say the sex was good and Charlie, then it means that
if the sex was good, you're okay with it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so enjoy your weekend. Join the conversation right beneath the comment section on this post. Share your thoughts as well. We want to hear that. Hashtag free your mind on MX. Hashtag free your mind. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Prudent himself once again, and I gotta go.